Thanks a lot for coming back to the channel. And if it's your first time, then a big up to you. Do me a favor and do not forget to subscribe, like and share if you want to. Thanks, John.
Come in. Come in. So happy. Hiya.
Cheesekeeper. Cheesekeeper.
Yeah. Rita.
What?
Kathy and Simon. Hi. You're from local?
No, we're Balham. We're from Balham.
Okay, where's that?
I'm all the way from Elephant Castle.
Elephant Castle, yeah.
Yeah, from the castle, London, okay.
Yeah.
I'm from Bristol.
From where?
Bristol?
You come all the way from Bristol?
You came down with
Wow.
Minty.
Oh, and then can you press the button for this guy to...
Let me in! No! Let me in! No. Let me in so I can stop people getting in.
I know. Wow, that's a long way. I know.
Yeah.
We're very dedicated, and we...
Yeah, we set off at like 20 or 4 this morning, but it rerouted us when we got to Oxford. It rerouted us like miles. We ended up going all the way out that way.
Take out the M4 and...
Yeah, to come and then to get back on it, and it took us at least another 45 minutes out of our way to get back onto it.
I wonder if it's true the motorway is closed.
No, it wasn't. It wasn't, because we were sitting there, they were saying there was a complete lane closure on it, and there wasn't. Because we come back down the other side of
The
it.
same happened when last week when I went to Rosie. Take me out to the motorway and come back.
Is it because they're expecting all these riots allegedly?
Yeah,
No,
listen, have you
before.
seen what he said today? They're expecting more riots today, but everyone, nearly,
No,
a lot of people that have been arrested are appearing in court from today, and prison places have been opened up. So we know the Trojan prisons they opened, the megas,
Somebody wants in.
none of them are being used.
Yeah. Are you ready, mate?
I'm sitting here reading this and don't understand half of it, but I'm reading it.
It's good that you're reading it actually, because the police don't even know it. And it's hard to understand it.
Yeah, the police aren't allowed to do anything anyway, are they? Because it's civil. But anyway, I'm getting on to the bailiff bit.
Nice to meet you.
No problem, I'll see you in a minute.
No, it's nothing personal, whatever happens today.
No,
you know.
I'm quite happy to go home, mate. Well, it took me 2.5 hours to get here. It's going to take me 2.5 hours to get
What
home.
you've got to ask is drilling a lock. Rather than a door being open, changing the lock, so you've not forced entry. If you drill a lock, is that forcing entry? So that's one of the things we're looking at with our lawyers. So,
I'm saying I don't understand some of it, but I'm reading it.
I mean, I'm working with the people at the moment that are dealing with Hillsborough law. So it's social issues, it's social injustice, that sort of thing.
Right.
We've just put a load of paperwork in to court for Lloyd's Bank. I was at Lloyd's AGM holding them to account, and we've just put a load in, and they've just sent a letter through yesterday. Can they put the court case back again? Because we've got a load of evidence against the security ministers, Damien Hines, Tugan Twat as I call him, Tom Tugan Twat, Priti Patel. We've got evidence of what they've been doing, and it comes under the International Criminal Court Act 2001, Article 7.
All over my head.
Not mine.
And Mr. Budenberg knows you.
Mr. Budenberg loves me.
He loves you. Anyway, I'll leave you to it. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'll just pop round in a minute and just watch what goes on.
Do you actually get issued any paperwork that you get to see? Do you get to see the warrants?
No.
Wow. So if they are acting fraudulently and you're not seeing them,
You become party to it.
you'll come party
No,
to it.
because I asked to see the warrant. If they turn up,
So what if they've created the warrant? Because the paperwork I've seen in there has got a load of tippets and stuff that don't look real paperwork.
I don't.
It's a copy of a
I
copy.
can't talk about what's in there, but if the bailiff turns up with a warrant with a court stamp on it, then I have to assume that warrant is legal.
Do you check with the court?
No.
So perhaps you should be doing, because a lot of what they're using, what's happening, a lot of the banks are doing, so there's a lot of shadow banking.
A lot of banks are doing a lot of things, which anyway, that's another story. Right, you carry on.
And they're using a lot of shadow courts as well.
What's the shadow called?
So shadow courts where they hire a room in court, push it through, people will turn up thinking it's a real court case.
But surely it's still got to go in front of the judge to get the court stamp on it.
Surely is a good word. Surely it should.
Yeah.
That as well.
Are you saying that doesn't
Legally,
happen?
it should.
What I'm saying is often they use some questionable cases. We've got evidence on a case that was called.
So what you're saying is some of the judges have been. Speak my language, please. I understand that bit. So that's what you're saying. Some of these judges have been.
But would it be reasonable for you to ask to see the warrant once the bailiff turns up, so that you can see for yourself?
No, I asked to see the warrant.
Mm-hmm.
But all that is a bit of paper with a court stamp on it. If you're saying the
So
judges,
if that's been created, such a
I
false
wouldn't know.
instrument, if it's a false instrument, that comes under the Forgery and Counterfeit Act 1981,
then you can
which is
you
the
can
creation
it's
of the
got for
handling.
fraud.
No, but you would be party to it.
Oh,
It's classed as uttering. Uttering, yeah.
Presentation of a false instrument.
Acting on behalf
Forgery
of.
and Counterfeit Act 1981.
mate, as I said to you.
But until you actually act, you're not actually complicit. It's only when you act.
Oh, careful. See you, mate. See you later. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, cheers.
Hope you're having a shit journey home. Oh, it's if bailiffs. There you go.
Where are you going? Mark, if you can get these guys' faces and so on. As far as I'm concerned, this comes under the Forgery and Counterfeit Act 1981. So if you're going to deceive to take a property, that is criminal.
Okay. Well, we'll seek guidance from our office.
Which is your office?
Croydon County Court.
Right, okay. We know some judges that are not acting properly.
It's a reasonable question.
I need service. Oh, I can. Under the Forgery and Counterfeit. Right, out the way.
No, don't start with that.
That's
You
assault, mate.
don't do that
That's
to
assault.
me.
No, don't be silly.
That's assault. You're being filmed, mate.
Right, Forgery and Counterfeit Act 1981. Creation,
Where's the other one?
offering,
Don't lose sight of this, fella.
instrument. False instrument. Forgery and Counterfeit Act 1981. What's your name? We work with experts, lawyers and people like that. We know what you're up to. If you are party to a false instrument, that is criminal. It's not a document. It's uttering a document.
Where's the toothpicks?
There, you sit better in there.
That's all right. Yeah, just wait. Go. Look at that. People, toothpicks. Forged document.
You've also got here.
Crown copyright 2015.
Yeah, but the you can see it's
yeah, it's
copied.
photocopy.
Yeah.
Fucking hell. Tip-X photocopy.
False instrument 1918.
Fuck off. Criminals. Where's that other fella gone? Oh, he's over there. Is that your motor, mate?
Follow them to the car. We need to find out where which cabin.
Yeah. I think it's this one here. Thanks for that, mate. It's got a disabled badge on it. It's got a disabled badge. Actually, is that a disabled badge?
Disabled badge?
Yeah, it's got a disabled badge.
Okay. Could it be that?
Well, I don't know why that fella was looking at it.
Hello, Rosa. What have you got here? Is this locksmith's car? Or
No, no, the locksmith's over there. This bailiff here was standing by it till I filmed him, and then he's walked off. Don't fucking run me over.
Fucking Mondeo.
Where's the other one? You lost your mate. Where'd you come from? What's your name? Who'd you work for? Who'd you work for? Is this a compliant vehicle? Oh, no, they're a photocopy with Tipex. He's coming out with a court order, photocopy with a Tipex. It says Crown copyright on it. It's got Tipex on it. 4 of them.
John would like to thank Neil for his part in the making of the video, mostly the running LOL.
Rise up, my friend. In the face of fear, or the bailiffs will defend. Even if the police arrive, they can do nothing. It's a civil case with hearts of steel and spirits high. We won't back down, we'll never say goodbye. We will make sure the house stays yours. Oh, my friend, take me with you. Oh, rise up, rise up, rise up, my friend, for I feel the end is near. In the shadow of the eviction house, we'll lay our fears to rest here. Oh, rise up, rise up, rise up, my friend. In the face of fear, or the bailiffs will defend. Even if the police arrive, they can do nothing. It's a civil case with hearts of steel and spirits high. We won't back down, we'll never say goodbye. We will make sure the house stays yours. Rise up, rise up, my friend. Bury me beneath the sky so blue, where the flowers bloom and the eagles fly, and my spirit will rise up with you. Oh, rise up, rise up, rise up, my friend. In the face of fear, or the bailiffs will defend. Even if the police arrive, they can do nothing. It's a civil case with hearts of steel and spirits high. We won't back down, we'll never say goodbye. We will make sure the house stays yours. heroes of the hills, remember. Oh, rise up, rise up, rise up, my friend, in the whispers of the wind forever. Our fight for freedom never ends. Together we stand, together we rise. Oh, rise up, rise up, rise up, my friend. In the face of fear, or the bailiffs will defend. Even if the police arrive, they can do nothing. It's a civil case with hearts of steel and spirits high. We won't back down, we'll never say goodbye. We will make sure the house stays yours.